and welcome to my channel. So I recently highlighted my hair and in this video I'm going to be showing how to do it at home and what are the do's and don'ts of highlighting your hair. So let's get into the video. A few days ago I ordered this Carola pink color from the Paradyes website. Along with it I also ordered a bleach kit and it arrived today. These are the contents of the kit. The materials required are displayed and you can pause the video and take a screenshot. Start with mixing in the blonder powder. So this requires about 8 teaspoons for medium length hair and you have to mix in double the amount of cream developer. The most important do's when it comes to bleaching your hair is that you should always wear gloves when you bleach them. The bleach can cause extreme dryness and itchiness of your hands, so make sure you always wear gloves. Now you start by sectioning your hair bit by bit. Now I've taken a section of my hair and I've put aluminium foil on the back and I'm just applying the bleach using the applicator brush. Once I'm done with it, I fold the aluminium foil so that it does not apply anywhere else. You just have to repeat this section by section until all the hair you want to color is done. Now we have to wait for 60 minutes while the bleach does its work. While we wait, here's some context. I started coloring my hair in 2021 during the lockdown time. I did a beautiful purple color but I was not very good at it, so it turned around brown. Then after 2022 I decided to do something wild and went for a blue color. This faded out and became green and I was stuck having green hair for a while. And last year I decided to go simple and I went with a hazel brown kind of color. That brings us to my fourth time, which I'm doing with Carola pink. The 60 minutes are up, so let's go see how the bleached hair looks.
It's me after the bleach. You can see it's been well bleached here and all. So now we're going to go for the colorant. Gloves are on.
This is similar to bleaching. You take a strand of hair, you put the aluminium foil behind it and then you apply the color with a brush. Once the color is done, you close the aluminium foil over the colored area so the color does not get to other places.
A strand of hair done.
Repeat this with the other strands of the bleached area of the hair until all of the strands are done. Shower off the color till the water runs clear and then use Color Protect conditioner. I used Loreal Color Protect conditioner, but you can use anything that you are comfortable with.
Guys, so I'm done with coloring and this is the final look. I actually really love how it looks. I love the shade. I just feel that I made it a little bit uneven here, but as of now I'm so happy with this. It turned out really great.
Here's the final look and let me know your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.